Prince of Wales in the Inner Harbor. So, Jessica, you know what time it is? Time now for Breaching News.
Breaching News is presented by Prince of Wales, Whale and Marine Wildlife Adventures.
Okay, so this is look at the image on this. Like, you can actually see the skin of the orca. It's amazing. An incredible sighting this week. We're calling it a tea party featuring members of Reef, Freya, Field, and Whidbey's families. It's typical during these gatherings where there was plenty of socializing, playful behavior, breaching, spy hopping. These large groupings typically remain together for only 20 to 48 hours before dispersing, as the group size makes it difficult to hunt and feed for everyone effectively. The whales then break off into their smaller family groups to hunt in separate areas. So that's two transient groups coming together, making the tea party.
Very fun.
So with a welcome September, with open arms, knowing it marks the peak of humpback whale sightings, this is one of the best months for whale watching in our province. So lots of excitement in the next couple of weeks. And this is a great shot of a fluking before a deep dive. Humpback whales typically dive for 6 to 7 minutes, but they're capable of holding their breath for more than 30 minutes. They can hold their breath for so long by slowing their heart rate and storing extra oxygen in their muscles.
Incredible.
It's people's reaction is just awesome. This is Indy stealing the spotlight once again. He's been on the move a lot this past week. He was in Seattle, he was in Victoria, he was part of the Gulf Islands. Now this shot, or this viz coming to us in Vancouver, it looks like Howe Sound. That looks like Bowen, maybe in between Bowen and Horseshoe Bay there. So he's cruising with his uncle, the legendary Chainsaw. At just 11 years old, Indy's already become a well-traveled youngster, notorious for stirring up trouble along the way.
Wow, just putting on a show.
Yeah, great sights. Again, this is going to be a great month for sightings. So if you're lucky enough, it would be a great opportunity if you can get near the water. You may have a great view of some of our great marine life. In the